Stress. We're drowning in it. With every coffee we drink, and every key we press, we make it worse. There's no escaping it. But we can manage it. What if there was something that could provide a quick stress-relieving break? Something that captures the warm colors of a sunset and the relaxing scenery of nature. That's why we created Glowscenes. It's lighting inspired by nature.
Hi, my name is Guido Benelli, and I'm the inventor of Glowscenes. I'm really excited to be able to announce that you'll be able to pre-order your very own Glowscenes starting June 10th, 2017. All you have to do is at the end of this video enter your email address and you will be notified first before anybody else when you can order it. You'll also receive access to our early bird pricing, which is 20% off the MSRP. Finally, just for signing up, you will automatically be entered for a chance to win an Amazon gift card worth $100. But hurry, I've only got spots for 100 people and that's really going fast, so make sure you sign up right now. Well, that's it. That's Glowscenes. I hope that you have loved this video and that you love Glowscenes. If you do, please share this on your social networks and I hope to see you on our list. Thank you so much.